Make sure to include all the most important details in your next presentation by using presenter notes in Prezi Present. When you present, only you will be able to see your notes, and you can add them to any part of your presentation. There are two ways to access and add your presenter notes. You can either select Show Presenter Notes in the top right corner, or select the step of the presentation in the left side panel where you want to add your notes. Go to the three dots and select Presenter Notes. Your notes will automatically save as you type. Once you add a note, you'll see a little icon next to the step where it was added. If you want to delete or edit your notes, just go to that step and then simply edit the text or delete it from the text box. Once you're done adding your notes, you can close the right side panel here with the X. Now it's time to see your notes in action. To access your notes while presenting, select the arrow next to Present and choose Presenter View. You will see the two windows. In this one, you'll see the Present view. This is what your audience will see aside from your notes. Make sure to choose this window to share while using a projector or screen sharing with a video conferencing tool. The other window is the Presenter view. Here, you'll see your presentation broken down into individual steps, your notes on the side, and a timer that you can reset, which is helpful when you're practicing. You can also increase or decrease the text size and use the arrows to move through your presentation. And that's it. Be prepared to wow your audience with your practiced, prepared, and craftily written presenter notes in Prezi.